ladies and gentlemen. We're out here making money. If you can look over my shoulders right now, you will see over my shoulder, we have $1.2 million in active surplus deals currently. We have $1.2 million in active surplus deals right now as we speak. So as of September the 4th, we started our first surplus class this year. We started our first surplus class, and the individuals in the class, I assigned them deals on last week. They were a month in. They got all the training they need, so I assigned them a deal last month. And we've got 6 people who made the calls this week. That's right. This is the week of October. Today is October the 11th. The time is 8:46 a.m. So they made the calls this week, and they have already in contact feedback from the potential claimants already. And we're going to start posting those checks as soon as we get the contract signed and it's go through the court. Once we get those checks, we're going to start posting those checks. So YouTube land, everybody out there, if you're on Facebook, if you're on YouTube, we're going to post these checks. If you're on YouTube as well, we're going to post these checks to let everybody know that this is the best financial obligation that you could do right now, because one, we're helping people to get monies back from the government that a lot of times the people simply don't know about it. And it's pretty awesome to think that you can make an honest living. You can make a lot of money at this if you have the skill sets to do this. I've been doing this now for many years, and I would consider myself a subject matter expert at this. And if you understand what I'm telling you guys, you need to take a look at this business. So far this year, we've claimed more than $250,000. The company, Quality Recovery Agency, LLC, has banked more than $250,000. And my numbers are going up every single month. And they've still got another 2.5 months left until the year 2024 is out. So I'll tell everybody this. If you haven't looked at surplus funds recovery, you truly need to look at it. If you need help, like I said in my other videos, call us. We can certainly help you to get started. We can definitely make sure that you are on the right track. If you've never looked at it, you have no idea what I'm talking about, go over to the website, www.surplusmoney.co. There's 20 free lessons on there. All you do is go over to the side where it says free. Underneath there, get started. There's 20 free lessons on. Once you click on get started and go down to the syllables, there's 20 free get started lesson syllables inside there that can let you understand what your options are. It'll give you more than a basic understanding of what we're doing out here. It'll give you more than the basic, like most other courses are doing out here. I'm not doing this course like anybody else. I look and I listen to individuals on multiple different platforms, and I saw what the individuals needed. Last year, I was in a Facebook group, more than 1,000 users. My company actually closed more deals than anybody else in the Facebook group page last year. I'll say that a second time. Last year, I was in this Facebook group page last year, and my company, Quality Recovery Agency, closed more surplus deals than anybody else. And I got an all-inclusive week's paid vacation for last year. So everybody who is, all you surplus rock stars out there, if you're listening to me, go to my website, surplusmoney.co. Take a look at the website. It has a wealth of information on there. Go over to the testimonials page. Click on the testimonials page. And you will see there is 32 success testimonials of people that we've already helped at this point. They wrote their own testimonials, and I posted on the website. We've helped more than 120 individuals right now and counting. It's going up every single month because we're out here helping people. I'm interested to work with you. If you need help, go over, take a look at the course. We have our next course that's starting on the first week in November. So you have about 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks to get signed up. There is a $99 early bird discount. So what we will do is we will educate you on surplus funds on after you've been in the course for 1 month, because it goes for 2 months mentorship. Once we get through the first 30 days within the course, I will assign you your own surplus deal. We will teach you how to skip trace. We have the best skip tracing tools to date. Our information is actually sourced through USPS. We're able to get addresses, accurate addresses, phone numbers, date of birth, social security numbers. So we don't play around with the free stuff. We've got the best stuff out here to date that we can find people. We're finding everybody that we're looking for. If we can't find them in 15 minutes, we move on to the next, because that means that the people are not in one of the 3 credit bureaus, and we're not worried about how much the surplus is. The main thing is we're looking to find people in 15 to 30 minutes, and we're making contact with them. We're sending out emails. We're sending out text messages. We're actually telephone call them. And of course, we're putting it all inside of our free CRM. That's right. You get a free CRM once you sign up for the course. After you get your case assigned to you and we show you the deal structure process, once a week, your last month in the course, once a week, I have an attorney that comes on 1 time a week, mainly on Wednesdays. And we are going to help you to make phone calls, and myself and the attorney will be there to help you to close your surplus deal. That's right. I'm going to say it a second time. We have a totally different deal structure. We're out here to help you make money because we want to see you posting checks. So as of right now, this is Robert Coles. I started out working at the Office of the Attorney General, and here's the seal right here. I'll show it to everybody who don't know what a seal looks like. That's the Office of the Attorney General seal. So I'm sharing with everybody. That's how I got my start into this business, because I had no idea what was going on until that was shared with me. I got into the business, and I'm telling you guys, it has changed my life. It has absolutely changed my life. I bought a brand new home 2 years ago. We're on track to pay for this home, almost $300,000 in 3 years. I'm going to say it a second time. Bought a brand new home, almost $300,000, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 10 rooms, all of it fully renovated, hardwood floors, marble in the kitchen, crown ceilings, fully 3 rooms in the basement, fully carpeted throughout. I'm blessed. I'll tell everybody right now that I'm blessed, and I want you to be blessed. I want everybody out here listening to this video to understand that I have something that's very, very special, and I'm out here to help you guys. If you don't know about what I'm talking about, go to my website. If you think that you bought a course and you know what you're doing and you have not closed the deal since you bought your course, go to my website. If you need help, I've got 5 attorneys on the East Coast that I can help you with your deals. That's why we're able to close so many deals, because 1, I don't run around looking for lists online. If it's a list online, I don't mess with it, because there's a million people working the same deals off the same list. So if that list is online, I don't mess with it. I've got 12 courthouses right now sends me their list every month or every other month of their fresh surplus money. So I don't go out there and chase the rat like everybody else is doing. And everybody is going after the same money. And you're chasing your tail. That's why a lot of you guys can't make any money, because you are out there looking at these lists. These lists has a million people is already looking at those lists. And when you guys are sleeping, VAs in other parts of the world, they're calling those people and sending out all this stuff. And that's why you'll never get to the money. But the money that I have, and I have currently about $8 million sitting over here on this side over here, $8 million on my workbench over here. If you're serious about this business, and you want to learn how to make money, take a chance on what I'm telling you. You see what I've got written on the whiteboard: $1.2 million active deals, surplus active deals. Once again, this is Robert Coles. I showed you a July 17th check for $28,000. We just got it in a couple months ago. I just turned in another deal on yesterday to the courts. We're going to be posting another check probably before the end of middle of next month. And I've got 8 other surplus deals of people in the class right now that they're active, and we're making contact. As soon as we get those deals closed, we're posting checks.